truck, I ain't working no backscatter out here. Hey, truck, we ain't working no backscatter out here on the West Coast, but you guys definitely sounded good around NorCal.
We're back out. Happy Halloween.
Hello out there, 27, 445 with the wave.
Hey, D-Rail, tell 88, man, what's he doing up? He getting a midnight snack? Hey, D-Rail, ask 88 if he got up for a midnight snack and had to change his diaper, 27 being nosy.
Hello out there, 27, 445 Mississippi with the wave.
Truck, well, you snuck right on through on D-Rail that time. I won't tell him though, because he might step on the other one. Hey, truck, I don't know if you rolled that nickel down to 88, but I was just checking. Yeah, I won't tell him that you snuck in there that last go around. Hey, truck, I'll try not to tell D-Rail that you snuck in there on him. He might have to turn something up. As long as he don't drop it, because we on the shaky ground out here, man. We're about to fall in the ocean as it is. We don't need that out here. But, boy, it's definitely good to hear you guys out here. I've been listening the last couple of hours as conditions been rolling around, but it sounds like we definitely got them around the northern Cal now. Alright, truck, I was letting D-Rail finish what he was saying there, but definitely hear you out here and you got that same audio. Hopefully I'm catching up to you. Hey, truck, hopefully I'm catching up to you with that audio, because we're running the same thing. We just gotta get mine dialed in. What do you think? 8 I have heard out there, and as far as being a playback, would be 2 1/4, 225. I think he's got the best playback sounding system I heard out there.
I'm doing 106 watts. My equipment in that.
Yeah, tempo. He definitely got the real deal there, but it's that 2 1/4. I don't know what he uses for a playback setup, but man, that thing is it's the exact same. I don't know what he runs or what kind of recording device he's got, but he's got it dialed in, that's for sure. what are you guys doing up this late anyways, man? What is it, midnight out there? You guys gonna be dragging tail come tomorrow.
Yeah, it's in the...
Hello, 27, 445 with the wave, if you got a copy.
No, that's not bad. It's only 11 o'clock, so you're all right. Now, D-Rail, he up there burning that midnight oil, that's for sure.
Smokestack and Memphis 200. Smokestack, one more time. 73 your way. 214.
Nah, truck. I heard Yardbird out there a little bit ago, but he was locked in on Machete. So when they got Machete and him got it locked down, I ain't got no chance. But I'll see if Yardbird's still out there. Maybe he fell asleep in the chair, and I'll see if I can wake him up just a little bit. Hey, Yardbird. Truck must have known you were in there hiding in the bushes. Good to hear you. I heard you and Machete going out a little bit ago, but I just didn't have no Mother Nature going out east. Every time I key up for you, I had Texas getting back.
Yeah, they're losing that.
Nah, Yardbird, you're still coming in strong, but it did fade off a little bit, so you might be right about the Mother Nature thing. We'll see what happens. But it's definitely getting late out here to be having you guys rolling in, that's for sure. Hey, Yardbird.
TJ border back wide.
Hey, you're only done when
Well, if he's still got a grip on me, it sounds like he's talking down to Southern Cal, but I may be wrong.
You and yours have a super 214.
Hey, we just lost all our Mother Nature right there. I ain't got nobody coming back. But I do got someone out here on the local plugging my ear with some music.